Hey everyone! In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to add social media icons into your Gmail signature using Google Docs. It's a really easy way to make your emails look more polished and interactive so people can connect with you on, different platforms. First, open up Google Docs. If you don't already have a document, just create a new blank one. This will be our little workspace for adding and adjusting the icons. Next, go up to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Image and choose Upload from Computer. Now, find the social media icon you want to add, like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and upload it into the doc. Once the icon's on the page, you'll probably need to resize it. Just click on it, grab one of the corner handles, and drag inward to make it smaller. You want the icons visible but not overwhelming in your email footer. Now, let's make it clickable. With the icon selected, go back up to Insert and this time choose Link. Paste in the URL to your profile. So, your LinkedIn page, Instagram, whatever you're adding. Then click Apply. Once your link is applied, highlight the icon and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. That way we can paste it straight into Gmail. Now switch over to Gmail. In the top right corner, click the gear icon for settings. From the drop-down, hit See All Settings. Then scroll down until you find the Signature section. Here, you can either create a new signature or edit your existing one. Click Create New, give it a name. This is just for your reference. And then in the big text box below, type your usual details like name, title, and phone number. Now position your cursor where you want the icon to appear and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Repeat the same steps if you want to add more icons, like Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. Last step, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click Save Changes. That's it. Now your emails will include a clickable signature with your social links built right in. And there you go. A Gmail signature that looks clean, professional, and makes it super easy for people to connect with you online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps give your emails a nice upgrade.